This is Eric K Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Search Eric K. Garage. Yes, it's Eric K. Garage. Look everywhere: YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Eric K. Garage. In this video, I'm going to do is variable valve timing solenoid VVT. So this is how to test VVT if it's good or bad. I have two over here. That is VVT. Simple way to test it with car battery. What you have or what you need is your car battery and then this actuator, that is VVT. Test. So here we go. We have to test it how the sound it will be. This is two, good and a bad. You are come to detect a good and a bad. You can use multimeter to test it, but right now I'm going to use car battery to do that and see if it is good or bad. So let's go. This is the first one. Okay, use a negative and a positive here. The pins inside. Okay, you can see now there's no noise. Yes, it's not shooting, right? If it is good, it will shoot. Then we hear that it's shooting. Let's check this one too. It detects the 40, then a good one. Okay, you can see, you can hear the voice. You can hear it. Yes, it's shooting inside. That is good. This one is not good. So it didn't click, it didn't do anything, but this one is working. So this is the easy way. This is the easy way to test the variable valve timing solenoid. Easy way. Just your battery and then your variable timing.